let's Google it everyone, and today I'm gonna show you how to make a cream of vegetable. So it can be cream of vegetable or can be a vegetable chowder at the same time. So let's begin chopping some onion, fine chop. And I have some garlic here, fine chop as well. And I have some sweet red pepper. Every time I make something with cream, especially soup, I add some red pepper because it goes so well with the cream. So a small diced potato, small dice, same as the red pepper. Perfect, chopping's done. Now your stove on a medium, vegetable oil, onion, garlic, potato, red pepper in, and we're gonna saute everything. Salt and pepper. Always salt and pepper to your taste. So 2 to 3 minutes sauteing these vegetables, and then I'm gonna add, I have here frozen peas and carrot and some corn, and let's saute those with it for another 2 minutes or so. Perfect. So about 6 minutes everything's being sauteed. Now I'm gonna add the vegetable broth, and I'm adding 1 cup of water extra. Stove on the high just to bring it to boil and bring it back down to simmer, and let it simmer till the potato is nice and fork tender. And in the meantime, we're gonna make the roux, which is originally it's butter and flour, but today I'm gonna make it with oil and flour. So a couple of spoons of flour. And the ingredients and the measurement, it's in the description box down below. Vegetable oil. And for the roux, keep it on the runny side because you don't want to end it up with clumps in the soup. And let's check out our soup. Looks yummy. Let's see how's the potato doing. Nice. Potato ready, and I burn my finger. Now we're gonna start pouring the roux. And as soon as thicken up a little bit, we're gonna add the cream. And you're gonna let it simmer for a few minutes. Now you turn off and let's have some soup. A little bit of chopped parsley on top, and me, I like a little kick, so I'm going to put some chili flakes as well. Now the moment of the truth. Oh, look at this. Maybe a little bit more salt for me, but to you, always follow your taste. So cream of vegetable, all yours to enjoy. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Take care.